All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. A basic car back in 2005. Besides its beautiful exterior, we have a very clean interior with only 23,000 miles on the vehicle. Got our stock systems here. Very nice leather seats, as you can see, everywhere, including from the seats to the dash. This car has been out in the sun, but it looks like it's been really well maintained. Got a power top, got a power spoiler, believe that or not. Power seats, power steering, power brakes, power windows. Basically the basic model you would get back in 2005. Let's show you all the brakes. Brakes are really good. Has a good power grip. As returning, it has no whines. In the dash, I'm going to show you again, there's no codes that are lighting up except for the seatbelt, which I put on for safety. But yeah, just a pretty simple basic car made by Chrysler. And yeah, that's about it. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.